What's up guys, it's Asher and today we're going to unbox the Logitech G402 Hyperion Fury mouse. Let's take a look on the box and see what's in there. On the box, Logitech gaming branding on the front, some information on the right side of the box, on the back some product details and functions. So this is a right hand optical gaming mouse. At last on the left side there are requirements and what's in the box. So let's unbox the package and see what's in there. The packaging is quite small and quite compact. The mouse is held in place by some plastic and comes packaged with some information slips. First we have the G402 Sport leaflet, which is basic and directing you to the Logitech's official website. Then we have the safety complaints and warranty information, which is quite lengthy and probably of no concern to the average consumer. Like the most Logitech mouses, the build quality feels very solid and the rubber sides are pretty good add-on. The shape is well designed, the side grips are made out of rubber and the right side has additional grooves which makes it easy to grip securely. The back of the mouse isn't wide, which causes your palm to be more closed than usual and which reduces your range of motion slightly, and it could cause you some discomfort if you have wide hands. The mouse weighs roughly 102 grams without the cable, which is quite light and nice to see. The mouse shell feels very solid and overall feel of the mouse has a decent quality. It has a 2-meter rubber cable which I found to be just right. It isn't too stiff and it doesn't get caught on things. Side buttons feel great, providing soft feedback and not too much travel distance. The scroll wheel requires the most force to click. It will be more better if it was a slightly lighter to press. The G402 Hyperion Fury features 8 buttons including the scroll wheel, the left and right click, 2 side buttons on the left side of the mouse, a sniper button as well as 2 additional buttons next to the left click. The mouse uses Omron switches for the left and the right click, which are rated at 20 million clicks. The official software is Logitech gaming software, which you can download from the official website. You can reprogram the buttons, assignings, shortcuts, keystrokes, and macros. You can also change DPI and the polling rate. You can store the files on the G402's onboard memory or on computer and have them activate depending on what game you have opened. The The Fusion Setting tab brings us on to the sensor performance. The Logitech G402 Hyperion Fury uses the AMO10 optical sensor combined with an accelerometer access to the sensor's main tracking speed. This can be toggled in the Fusion Setting tab, where it also tracks how fast you are moving the mouse. You can adjust the DPI of the mouse from 240 to 4000 in increments of 80. We still need to actually test this mouse to see how it goes. I'll be doing some extensive testing in Fortnite, so let's jump straight into it. All in all, this sensor gets the job done and I don't mind playing with it. So that's it for today guys. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for the upcoming next videos. Peace.